Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Clash Royale not sending verification code. So if Clash Royale isn't sending the verification code when you try to log in or link the Supercell ID, it usually has an issue with the email delivery network or app glitches. Now here's how you can fix it by watching the video till the very end. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to receive the mail and you won't be able to receive the verification code. But if you are still connected to Wi-Fi or data and if you are still not receiving it, then turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, which helps you to reset the network settings. And after that, you just need to open the mail on a device and check if there is any verification code. So if you are not still receiving it, you just need to click on the option of three dots at the very top left and click on the option of spam. So if you click on the option of spam, then here you'll be able to see the spam mail which have occurred on your mail. So check if there is any spam mail sent by Clash Royale. So if you are still not receiving the verification code, then you just need to uninstall the Clash Royale app. Simply uninstall the Clash Royale app from a device and you just need to reinstall by clicking on the option of Play Store or app. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the issue of not receiving the verification code by Clash Royale. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.